It is Super Bowl Sunday, guys. If you're wondering what you're gonna cook for friends and family for the big day, look no further.
Now, first thing you wanna do is get your pan ready and your oven preheated. I got mine preheated on 400 degrees, and I'm using this thing because I don't have a pizza pan. You gotta make do with what you got. I'm gonna butter this pan up really good, and once I butter that up, I'm gonna put the pizza dough. It's not even pizza dough. It's just a dough sheet. I think the pizza crusts, they do too much on it. Just a regular dough sheet. I just want a little bit of breading, a little bit of starchiness while I'm eating my chicken and broccoli and cheese. I'm gonna place this right here. I'm gonna butter this up. Place this dough sheet in here. I got my chicken getting ready. I'm gonna defrost this broccoli here, and I'll chop up a little bit of this onion to go in there. Cooking time is only 15-20 minutes, baby. Now I want to put this crust in here just to get it, thicken it up a little bit for about 5 minutes before I even put toppings on there. Look at that. They gave me, it had a rip in it already. Look at that. I got my chicken breast here. I'm about to cut it up along with that onion and our chicken and beef sausage right there, baby. The money shot right here, boy. The money shot right here, boy. Got our chicken cut up. Now we got our Frankenstein crust. I'm gonna free it up from this pan here. A little Frankenstein crust. Still got a little hole, but that's cool, no biggie. I've got my broccoli thawed out. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. Thawed, ready to go. That's good. I'll put my onions in the air fryer before I put them on the pizza, trying something new. What I'm gonna do right now is make our little sauce, a little cream cheese sauce right now. Real simple, real easy, all right? All right, a little bit of chicken stock here. About 4 tablespoons. About that much. Refrigerator's gonna start beeping at me in a second. Just cover it so you can't see the liquid anymore, like so. And heat, have some more butter. Could drop some butter in there too. Grab me a stick of that phone out! Don't worry about where I'm pulling utensils from. All right, we got our little sauce here. Came out decent. Stirring it up a little bit. And what we're gonna do is just layer this on here like so. We wanna just, evenly coat that around the whole thing. Sort of like a sauce, because I don't really like red sauce, to tell you the truth. I'm over it. I'm over red sauce. Now I got a pepper jack. Sort of like, there's no Parmesan in it, so really not Alfredo. But like a pepper jack cheese sauce. I'm in there. First things first, I actually put these in the air fryer, so try it. Came out pretty good. Get some onion, huh? Spread some onion, yeah? Bottom layer. And we'll sprinkle that on top. Yep, sprinkle that in there on everywhere, so everywhere gets some more broccoli. Now you guys are gonna trip out once I make the broccoli crusted pizza. I'll probably do that next week. We'll see. Yeah, I want to see green. I'm seeing green, baby. I want to see green. How beautiful this came out. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's in every bite, dude. Keeping it A1 from day one. Subscribe. Stay tuned, baby. We got more recipes coming up, man. With this, I'm there, baby.